Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today I want to show you something new. It's a copy trading account that I've been personally testing for about a week now. The results look very interesting, but that's not the most important part. What really caught my attention is how these results are being made. And when I started to do my own research, I found out that they are doing manual trading. So no automation behind this option. This means real decisions, real execution, and real skills behind it. The account today is sitting in a total gain of 677%, as you can see it there. We are right here inside my FX book. Looks like the trader is able to execute multiple trades per day. This is happening every day from Monday to Friday inside the Lirunex Broker that we all know at this point. By the way, we can also find this account inside Roboforex. I also took the time to understand who is behind the structure, how everything is organized, and why this could be an interesting option if we use it correctly. So I want to invite you to stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you everything, what to realistically expect from this option. I will explain who is this for and who is this not for. I hope this information can bring some value to you and, well, you can judge everything by yourself. If you're looking for a new opportunity going into the new year, something that offers structure and something with real market exposure, then I think you need to watch this video. Before we go there, let me invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. I'm testing new options. I'll be sharing updates, reviews. Also come and join my Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And real quick, let's talk about the risk, because honestly, this is not a low risk strategy. This is gold trading, and gold moves fast. There can be drawdowns, there can be losing days. That's completely normal for these type of accounts. The key part is the risk management from your side. I'm talking about the small lot size, control your exposure, participate with the risk capital. If you respect that, this can be an interesting option, but if you don't, then no strategy in the world will work for you in a long term. So the name of this copy trading account is Secure Trader, and you can find it inside Lirunex, or you can also find it inside Roboforex. When you look at the equity curve, you can see some consistency. There is high volatility, but if you are familiar with gold trading, you know that happens practically every single day. This account is very active, very fast execution. Got started in September, around 3,300 profits in trading, losses around 900. The total ROI is sitting right now in 678%. It's working in a Cent account. It's running in the MetaTrader 4. They also have a community, and right here you will find the handle, so you can go directly to Telegram. I really like that because this is not like an anonymous strategy with no explanations. There is a clear structure and an active community. And something very important, and where the people get confused, is that the person managing these accounts is not the same person that is clicking the buy and sell button. His name is John, or JM. His role is to find skilled traders, manage the copy trading setup, handle the broker side, and communicate with the community. The actual trading is done by a very experienced manual gold trader. This kind of setup is very common in professional copy trading because everyone focuses in what they do best. Also, John has other copy trading accounts that he's managing in both brokers, Lirunex and Roboforex. Some of those way more riskier, some others more conservative. To me, the one that is giving the best performance so far is this one, Secure Trader. That's why I decided to follow it. And there is another one that I'm going to start following today. But yeah, if you want to get in touch with this community, right here you can find the handle. Now let me show you my results. Right here you can see my initial deposit was 13,000 cents. This is a Cent account, so around $130. Right now my balance is sitting in 16,000, giving me a total profit of 4,000. Here in withdrawals, these are only the fees that they are charging. And if we take a look at the order history, well, you can see here the way it behaves. For example, this was on the 19. Only on the 19 we had a lot of positions, the majority in profit. We had one loss, and yes, we have losses here, it's normal. Some days we have bigger losses, but as an average, and when we close the day, we are always in profit, which is really good. They have a fee on the performance. The performance fee is 25% weekly, and they charge me that today. When you see a transaction like this without lot size or prices, that is a deduction from your balance, okay? And it's already performing today. We already have 2 trades on profit. That's really nice. And to show you what happened last week, it's very simple. On Monday, around 9% that day. On Tuesday, we got a 1.38%. On Wednesday, we have 5.15%. Thursday was the best day of the week, and this account produced a 16.24% only that day. Last Friday, we got a profit of 2.56%, giving us a total that week of 34.35% in returns. That's the 3,000 plus that we have in our balance. So with my 130 of initial deposit, I got $34 in gains during that week, which is really good. I remember the first day I got started here, that was on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Let me show you. I opened the account, you can see there my initial deposit, and then we started losing. But the same day, that was on the, when was that? On the 12th actually, the 12th of December. And in the same 12th of December, this account recovered those losses and we closed a profit that day. You can see the amount of positions that he opened only that day. And here is my first deduction from that 12th of December when I got started. And well, guys, yeah, to me, it's an amazing performance. Still, I consider this high risk. The reason why is because every time you have huge gains like these ones, you are also exposing yourself to potential big losses. So far, he's doing a great job. When I check the report, in some of the positions, he's adding stop loss, and in others, he doesn't put any. I think he knows what he's doing and where to cut the trade if something wrong happens. The average daily return in my FX book, it shows a 2.33%, and monthly return is sitting at 99%. But from the results of my account, it's sitting between a 2 to 6% in daily return. Max drawdown during my back testing, it was between 20 to 30%. In my FX book, it shows a 50%, because here they are tracking from the very beginning of the account, of course. Probably they have an episode with a huge drawdown, but as you can see, the balance keeps growing every week. The minimum deposit, 10,000 US cents. Fees, 25% weekly, only on profits. The compounding is going to work automatically. And as we all know, with Lirunex, we can have access to our capital at any time. Well, as long as all the positions are closed, you can make your internal transfer to your wallet and from your wallet to your external wallet. You can find this account in Lirunex, Roboforex, and the other accounts that John is managing. You can find it in the Telegram community. And if you want to see how to get started, it's very simple. First thing you need to do is open your account in Lirunex. Just click the first link down below the description of this video. Then you need to perform a KYC by clicking in this link right here on top. Follow the steps. Once your KYC is approved, you need to deposit. After the deposit, which is a simple process, and I've been explaining this before in other videos. Now what you need to do is create an account. You need to click here where it says accounts, create account. Right here you select if it's an MT4 or MT5. You select the type of account. For a secure trader, we are going to use MT4 in a cent account. So we select this box. You give it a name. Here you see your balance. Type here the amount that you want to deposit. Create account, and the system will give you this data that we're going to use it later. Now what we need to do is subscribe to the account. We're going to click in social trading. Then we are going to search for secure trading. Once you find it, just click in subscribe. Here you will see the data about this option. Simply scroll down until the end of the page, click in subscribe. You will have this pop up. Select the account that you just create. There you will see your balance. For the lot size, the recommended amount is 0.01. Click in this box and subscribe. That's all we need to do. If you want to come back here and let's say monitor the account, what you need to do is go to social trading, click in follower accounts. There you will see the accounts that you are following. You will see the unrealized profit and losses, the realized profits or losses, the actual balance. And if you want more information, simply click in the title and it will give you more information, details. If you want to add more capital to that account, you can do it from top up. If you want to withdraw profits or withdraw your entire capital inside that account, so you can make an internal transfer right here in withdrawal. But if you want to see the report, simply click in trade records, and right here you can download it or you can check all that is happening inside your account. That's simple. If you want to track the live performance of your account, you can do it in MetaTrader 4. Download it in your phone, and remember the data that we got before. You have to provide it there, login and password, and that's how you're going to have access inside your phone. Well guys, this is all that I want to show you today. Let me know what you think about this one. I'm super excited with this account. It's doing great. Our balance keeps growing. Also remember that this is real trading in the real markets. They've been doing a fantastic job for the last 3 months. They have their moments where they are losing because no trader can control the market. Sometimes the market doesn't give us what we want and we have to accept it. But so far, they are showing discipline, proper sizing, long-term thinking, and that's exactly what I want to keep bringing to all of you in this channel. If you found some value here, I will appreciate your likes, your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications, come and join our Telegram group. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.